Below are 12 detailed differences between goals and objectives, explained heading by heading. 1. Meaning. Goals describe the overall result or end state that an individual, organization, or project wants to achieve. They express intention rather than action and often reflect a vision or aspiration. Goals answer the question, what do we want to achieve? Objectives describe the specific actions or results required to achieve a goal. They translate intention into execution and answer the question, how will we achieve the goal? 2. Scope. Goals have a broad scope and cover a wide area of achievement. They are not limited to a single activity or task, but encompass a general direction. Objectives have a narrow scope and focus on particular areas, activities, or results. Each objective addresses only a small portion of the goal. 3. Level of specificity. Goals are general and often stated in simple, broad language. They do not usually include detailed instructions or constraints. Objectives are precise and clearly defined. They specify exact actions, outcomes, or performance standards so that there is no confusion about what needs to be done. 4. Timeframe goals are long-term in nature and may take a significant amount of time to achieve. Some goals may not even have a fixed end date. Objectives are short-term or medium-term and always have a clear time limit. Deadlines are essential to ensure progress toward the goal. 5. Measurability. Goals are often difficult to measure directly because they focus on overall achievement or improvement rather than exact figures. Objectives are measurable and include quantifiable indicators such as numbers, percentages, deadlines, or milestones that make evaluation possible. 6. Purpose. Goals serve as a source of direction and motivation. They give purpose and help individuals or organizations stay focused on what truly matters. Objectives serve as a guide for action. They translate motivation into practical steps that lead toward achieving the goal. 7. Flexibility goals are flexible and may be adjusted when circumstances, priorities, or environments change. Their broad nature allows adaptation. Objectives are less flexible because they are tied to specific actions and deadlines. Changing objectives often requires revising plans and resources. 8. Number goals are limited in number because they represent major ambitions or desired outcomes. Too many goals can reduce focus. Objectives are usually numerous because several objectives are required to support and accomplish a single goal. 9. Focus goals focus on the end result or desired future state. They emphasize outcomes rather than processes. Objectives focus on the process and steps needed to reach that future state. They emphasize execution and performance. 10. Strategic versus operational nature. Goals are strategic and aligned with long-term plans, vision, or mission. They guide decision-making at a high level. Objectives are operational and concerned with daily, weekly, or monthly activities. They guide routine actions and resource use. 11. Clarity and detail. Goals may be inspirational but lack detailed guidance on implementation. They communicate intent rather than method. Objectives are detailed and explicit, clearly stating what must be done, by whom, and by when, making them easy to implement. 12. Dependency goals can exist independently as statements of desire or ambition. They do not require immediate action plans to be meaningful. Objectives depend entirely on goals. Without a goal, objectives lack direction and purpose, as they exist solely to help achieve the goal. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.